In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Canva. We'll walk through the process slowly and clearly so that even if you're brand new to Canva or not very comfortable with computers, you'll be able to follow along with no problem. First, open your web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge, or any browser you normally use to go on the internet. At the top of the screen, you'll see the address bar. Click in that bar and type the word Canva. Once you've typed it in, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Your browser will now show you the search results for Canva. Look for the official Canva website. It should simply say Canva and usually appears near the top of the results. Click on that link to go to the Canva homepage. When the Canva website loads, you'll see a few options on the main page. Because you're getting started, look for the button that says Sign Up. This is the option you use when you don't already have a Canva account or you want to create a new one. Go ahead and click on Sign Up. Now, Canva will guide you through creating your account with a series of on-screen prompts. Take your time here. You might be given options to sign up using your email address or through accounts you already have, such as a work or school login. Choose whichever method you're most comfortable with. If you decide to use an email address, you'll likely be asked to type it in and then create a secure password. Make sure your password is something you can remember, but also something that's not easy for others to guess. Follow each instruction you see on the screen, clicking Continue or Next as needed. As you go through these prompts, Canva may ask a few simple questions, like what you plan to use the platform for, such as personal projects, school, or work. These questions just help Canva customize your experience, so answer them as best you can, or skip them if that option is available. Once you've completed all the on-screen steps, Canva will finish setting up your account and log you in automatically. You'll know you're logged in when you see your Canva dashboard with different templates and design options ready for you to explore. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully logged into Canva.